Right. Use such a video log. I'm using this live stream as a video log for journaling purposes. It's another different way to just look at myself while I'm trading, hear what I'm saying to myself and things like that. And also to connect with a community of traders, because as you know, we're all sitting at home by ourselves, So yeah, happy rising, happy new day, afternoon, whatever, evening, wherever you are. So we're going to be focusing on US500, S&P. And we'll keep an eye on Great British Pound USD. As I always say, I always usually trade Great British Pound USD in the AM, but depending on the move it had in the AM session and what it's setting up, sometimes we keep an eye on it in the afternoon, possibly get an afternoon trade. But I do find it's a lot more better to trade through the London session. Price action seems to be a lot more tighter up in this all-time high sort of area. Still making higher highs, still making new highs, higher lows. But it's become a lot more consolidated. So we're still bullish, but it seems like we're in a restricted sort of range at the moment. And as we're speaking, it seems like we're in a bearish phase of this bullish move where it's looking like we might still want to retrace back a bit more, maybe. Possibly. Just from the price action we're looking at right now. So I'll say something we have to keep our eye on. Yeah, it's not very clean. Trading's not very clean. A few moves now. It's not very clean. It's definitely ranging. Today's range so far is only like 17, 18 pip move at the moment. That's consolidating still. Range. So we just keep an eye on it. Nothing to do at the moment. All right, this is the high of the day. Just got liquidated in Great British Pound USD. So that happened probably on the spike of the US data that came out. It dropped, initial drops and stuff like that. So what we're watching for now, if price wants to keep going higher, then we want to see a break. We see a break on momentum, and we want to see a retracement, retest, and price looking to go strong again, then we look for entry from there. Short, from where it is now, we want it to displace, take out some lows, come back up, fail possibly. Even if it creates a low, what it's doing now comes up and sort of fails, it comes up again and messes about and fails again, then comes up, then through for entry. Because then we can see that we've had a displacement. We've seen that we've had a liquidation first, then we have a displacement. Then we see it failing to go higher whilst making lower lows and lower highs. And once we see that second lower high being made and momentum shift at that point where we're looking at the lower high to a bearish connotation, then possibly we can look for a trade short back down, possibly to the daily low. But that's just where it could go. I don't know if it will go there in one go. At least we might be able to take out these two lows, so maybe down to about 126. So that's like a 20 pip move between the average range. I usually trade 5 pip stop loss to 15 pip gain. It's pretty tight. So it's enough range to trade. So this also, we should keep an eye on. Looks like it's failed. Watch this 15-minute, watch out 15-minute closes, watch out the next bar comes in, and start telling us about this place and how we sort of how the price action sort of play now. So you can already see that the low here, big making new high, so it's still a play. Yeah, it's still bullish until we start getting a real sort of clear displacement. We will not be happy. And even the longs, we've got 2 daily highs. 2 previous daily highs. One at 26, 126.32, 126.41. So from this breakout and retracement, possibly got enough. Yeah, from the 125, possibly have enough to trade up. Yeah, so that's framing the trade. Both possible scenarios for long and short. If price fails to get back below the low of the day, which was formed a couple of hours ago, we've got space down to like the 61.10. And then obviously you can see that here on the 15-minute chart. But then if you come across that, you see the price action. You see it's pretty clean, very clean. See how fast price is moving already downwards. Pretty clean, only got one, and got the X-ray taken out. So it's pretty clean price action. So we're pretty sure that if it fails, we'll probably trade it short down to the 61.10. Just a little bit lower. The price is really, really coming in already, to be honest. Very fast. I actually had a look at that before I dropped. But still, we look for a retest anyway. Because we've taken out not a previous day low, but today's low. You never know, price might want to react and go back in, come back inside into that range. So we have to wait for a retest and failure to go higher. Give us a cause to possibly go long and short side. But it's a nice enough space, definitely. It shows weakness. It's definitely enough space for us to trade it back down to that liquidity, that daily liquidity area. And what else? Where's British pound rate? Is it made enough? Is it making enough? Okay, so you see how it's in this 1 minute we're getting a slight change of changing the state of delivery to right now. So it's just happening right in front of your eyes. I'd like to see obviously something prominent that one of these two are both taken out. Possibly. You see that place? We're looking for a change in the state of delivery. That's going to tell us confirmation that price wants to go low. That's going to make, we're going to need low, higher low, lower low, higher low. Then we're going get one low, we get a high, we get another low. When it comes to that high, then we get that's when we can possibly say, okay, let's go. And that second move there. Got one stop here, 126.96, and then the lows, 125.80. Come back into support. It's quite choppy anyway here. Yeah. To be honest, it's quite choppy, so it might mess about quite a lot. But within that, you might have to watch and see the break of structure. Excuse me. You got to be very patient. So that's actually a pretty good short at this break. By the time you got to this low here, 61.22, could have broke even. And then at least it could have come back then. It won't be so bad anyway. Yeah, for me to come back and mess it up. But once it broke through, it's starting to trade after this break. It's an aggressive trade. That's a bit more aggressive. With bearish though. It's been bearish in the low lows. Came up, still low. Still low, low, now. Major up and back. And start making low lows now. Made all that failing. Fell. This one will start to fail, come up. Entry. Or at least, yeah, entry fair. See. That's on entry there. But if not there, definitely needs to have a few entries there. But the price looks like it should keep going. But we'll wait and see if we get retracement. I just don't like. What I'd rather see is price go long. I think. Let me see what the price actually does. Really? Probably the price action, yeah, a little bit more cleaner. If it breaks long, it's actually a little bit more cleaner. Shorting, it's very lot of support here. As I said, we'd have to let it play out. We'd have to see the change of state of delivery for us to get any short. So it'd have to play out over a period of time for us to see that change of structure, see that change of break of structure. But for now, let's just look possibly for longs. When you get out of the zone, look break, get out of the zone, retest, and then possibly might give us possible call for entry. It's crypto. Crypto follows the US. Like, if you notice now, since institutional money's got involved in the market, I don't know if it was before, it might be always, but however the normal assets classes like S&P 500 and NAS, however they move is how Bitcoin and Ethereum sort of move right now, So look at that drop there. We go into the US, very nice drop already, so it's going to go back down again. So yeah, this guy's all the way down. It's NASDAQ. NASDAQ's been a little bit wild for me lately, maybe not for others. So I switched over to trading the US500, but over the last couple of days, NASDAQ's price actually been really clean. Just had a couple nice clean moves. And when I was looking at US500 at the same time, maybe about that one move there, looking at US, look how far left it was and everything. Yeah, it's trending, but very ugly. It's not very clean movement, but very sticky. And then we just hit the bottom, we just kept on going. So we're at a low, we're at a point of interest right now. So we watch what happens. See if he wants to chill and go back up, or it's going to go down to the next zone. It's got space. The next zone is nice and clean again in 30 minutes. Next zone is nice and clean, nice and clean. So obviously we're looking for some type of reversion to the mean trade, some type of long. So we're wait for a setup and then we're going to go long. We're going to be patient, wait for it to show that it wants to go long first. If it wants to go long, because if it gets underneath here, it'll probably bounce here. But if it wants to come and wants to go further down and go another leg down. So we just watch it and play it by price action within these different zones. I think that's the best thing to do. And if a trade shows itself, then we know what to do. So I think price action is, you don't want to be getting no trade. As I'm saying, for me to want to start shooting, it needs to start getting under all this rubbish, getting down under here where now it's hard to get up. Then we can start targeting some of those lows, you know. So it's just a patience game. That's it. I'm playing in the background someone called Tanya Trades, just her live stream, just for listening purposes. Usually when I'm just sitting there not streaming, I just put on some type of live trading. And lately, over the past maybe month, maybe more, I'm just tuning into her live stream. I don't take her trades, but it's always good to listen to other traders, you know. It's like a type of connection in it, you know? So I like to go in and go. She trades in as and yes. So, yeah. So I had a mute now.